have such an enormous amount of evidence that aliens are visiting here, even if they're not landing on the White House lawn. Why should they? The president doesn't speak for 6.7 or so billion Earthlings. It's a crazy, convoluted notions. And I get other people saying, well, if they were coming here, they would have sent a signal first. Sure, like Columbus sent smoke signals to the natives before he went west. That's absurd. We have data. They have none except wishful thinking.
The world impoverishes itself by spending $1 trillion a year on preparations for war, and by employing perhaps half the scientists and high technologists on the planet in military endeavors. How would we explain all this to a dispassionate extraterrestrial observer? What account would we give of our stewardship of the planet Earth? We have heard the rationales offered by the superpowers. We know who speaks for the nations, but who speaks for the human species? Who speaks for Earth?
As soon as it becomes obvious to the people on the planet and widely accepted that flying saucers are real and from off the Earth, there's going to be a push for a view of man as Earthlings, the people on this planet. Instead of I'm an American or Russian or Chinese, I'm an Earthling. There is no government that wants its citizens to owe their primary allegiance to the planet as opposed to the country. Nobody wants to give up their power. And you know, all these jokes about take me to your leader, that's wishful thinking. What's funny about those is that there is no leader to be taken to. There's nobody who speaks for planet Earth. So there are enormous political problems with anybody saying, yes, there's somebody out there and he's coming here and he doesn't want to talk to me as a representative of the planet.
This Stanton Friedman Carl Sagan combination on who speaks for Earth is interesting for two reasons. The first, because Friedman and Sagan both earned Bachelor of Science degrees in physics from the University of Chicago in 1955, suggesting they were once classmates. More importantly, both Friedman and UAP would go on to dramatically point out the disingenuous UFO strawman in Carl Sagan's book, Other Worlds, which Bantam published in January of 1975. Using the data from Project Blue Book Special Report 14, Friedman exposed Sagan's dismissive and unsupported UFO statement that reliable cases are uninteresting and the interesting cases are unreliable. The overlords of the UFO also objected to this claim, so stay tuned as we explore the details of that in the next video.